Connectivity to maximize the power of your audio system. The Hifonics HWK-4 amplifier wiring kit is a 4-gauge OFC solution to unleash your full sonic potential. This wiring kit enhancement is designed for amplifiers with fuse ratings of up to 100 amps. The wiring kit includes high-quality power, ground, and remote turn-on wires. If you pair this wiring kit with a Hifonics amplifier, you'll receive an additional year on your amplifier warranty. The HWK-4 is a universal fitment for all vehicle types and models. All of the wiring in this kit uses oxygen-free copper, referred to as OFC. OFC wiring is a powerful and efficient electrical conductor which maximizes performance, bass response, and overall signal clarity. It is important to note that this wiring kit includes only one RCA cable, designed for mono or 2-channel amplifier setups. Keep in mind that if your system is designed with multiple channels, you will need more cables. When talking about different wiring options for your amplifier, there's a big difference between copper-clad aluminum, CCA, and oxygen-free copper, OFC. First of all, aluminum conducts 61% of the electricity that copper does, meaning that you'll need a thicker aluminum wire and it will produce more heat. This equates to less efficiency and can be unsafe. Copper wiring, on the other hand, produces less heat and reduces the overall strain on your car's system. In terms of dimensions for the cables, the 100 amp AFS fuse is 12 feet, while the 12-gauge matte black OFC speaker wire is 17 feet. The nickel-plated OFC RCA cable is 17 feet. The 18-gauge solid blue OFC remote turn-on wire is 17 feet, and the 4-gauge OFC matte red power cable is 3 feet. That summarizes most of the features and benefits of the latest in Hifonics wiring kits with the HWK-4. To learn more about this kit, head over to hifonics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you later.